All right, so I'm going to console.log here, and type of, then I'm just going to put in here new variable. Right, and it should give me a string. As you can see there, it gives me a string. So great. Now let's check what happens if we reassign the variable below the console.log statement, reassign new variable to 1. As you can see, I can reassign new variable only because of the fact of the matter is that it's a let variable. So if I use the const variable, then I wouldn't be able to actually reassign it to a new string because it's a constant variable. So this is why we use the let variable a lot of the times, unless you're not going to reassign the variable itself. So now I'm going to take the variable, which is new variable, and I'm going to reassign it to 1, the number 1. So great, now let's check what happens if we reassign the variable below the console.log statement, reassign new variable to 1. So we run it, still gives us a string. Okay, since you assigned this new value to the new variable, it has a new type. On the line below your reassignment, use console.log to print type of new variable. Okay, we're going to run that. As you can see, string number